Think elegant women can't wear sneakers? 2025 just proved everyone wrong. This year, the most stylish women aren't just wearing sneakers, they're reinventing them. And if you're still pairing yours with just gym clothes, you're missing the biggest trend of the decade. Let's start with the foundation. Your sneakers should whisper luxury, not scream gym class. The magic formula? Virgin white leather, streamlined silhouettes, and absolutely zero visible branding. These are the only shoes that can take you from boardroom meetings to brunch without missing a beat. Notice how the clean lines mirror this tailored blazer. That's intentional. Pro tip: suede versions in camel or grey work year-round for that quiet luxury vibe. Now let's talk denim disasters. This is the crime I see every day: skinny jeans cutting off your legs with chunky sneakers. The fix: wide leg jeans create that endless runway model effect. See how the hem kisses the top of the sneaker? That's your golden ratio. For straight leg lovers, match them with pointed toe sneakers to fake that mile-long leg illusion. Sneakers and skirts? A truly magical combination, as long as you steer clear of two critical errors. First, keep those socks hidden. No-show socks are the unsung heroes of this look. Second, maintain a balance of proportions. A flowing skirt, like this, needs a more form-fitting top to create a harmonious silhouette. And a word of caution: pairing balloon skirts with sneakers is a major fashion misstep. Meet your new secret weapon: high-waisted, wide-leg trousers. This is how you look like a billionaire while feeling like you're wearing pajamas. The golden rule: pair them with something fitted up top. This slouchy sweater works because it's intentionally oversized. A baggy tee? That's how you end up looking like you gave up. This 10-second hack changed everything. Layer a blazer over any dress, add sneakers, and boom, you're Parisian chic. The contrast is everything: feminine dress, tough blazer, cool sneakers. Extra points for showing ankle. That bare skin keeps it sophisticated instead of sloppy. When to break the neutral rule: bold sneakers need one matching element. This red bag ties to the sneakers without going overboard. Never match more than 2 pieces, or you'll look like a walking brand ambassador. So let's recap the golden rules. Minimalist sneakers polish any look, wide-leg jeans give you runway-length legs, and the right proportions keep skirts and dresses effortlessly chic. But here's what no one tells you: real elegance isn't about sacrifice. True sophistication in 2025 means looking impeccable while feeling like you're walking on clouds. Why choose between style and comfort when you can have both?